our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to customize and manage your business group. So let's go. How who you are going to add as an admin, or who can talk on the page, who can comment, everything, all the customize. I'm going to teach you how to do everything. So let's dive in. You open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, come to this menu button on your profile picture. Just click on it to take you here, and you click on your group. Click on groups, and this is it. These are your groups that you have. These are all the groups that you have on this phone. So I want to manage my groups now. Click on this manage group, then you click. This is just a group that you created, a fashion. This is just a group that you created, and I've taught you how to create a groups on one of our video. If you don't know how to create a group, you are free to go to our channel and search for how to create a Facebook group, and you will see the tutorial very easy and quick. So now let's go back here. I'm going to do some things here. You can see all tools. You go come to group settings here. Once you click on group setting, this is it. The name and the description of the group, you can change it here. What is the group all about? You can put the description here. Let's go back here. A new member intro, like welcome. You understand that one? Like welcome to a fashion group. Welcome new member. All those that's how they used to set it here. Now show new member intro. Once you put it here, automatically whatever you write here, the new member will see that you are welcome. These are you on it. You can see you are the admin here. Let's go back here. You can see you want to change the color. You can change the color of it. Let me change the color. Click on agent. Yeah, this is it. Click on save. Then the group color has changed. Let's go back to the group setting here. If you want to hide the group, is it for privacy or for private? This is how you set it here, and this is it. The cover photo of the group, a new group affiliation, the membership. You can see anonymous posting. You can see this is anonymous posting. The post approver. This is it. How you customize the post approver. If you put it on only admin, nobody will post without your approval. Whenever they post, it has to be put there for you to approve. So you have to go there and approve it. So you can do anything you want on your group by those group settings. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button and comment for anyone you don't understand. You just put it there that you there any topic you want me to teach you, put it on the comment, and be sure I'm gonna do up a video on the topic that you drop. Thank you guys for watching.